Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss some simple and refreshing drinks, beverage recipes that will satisfy your senses. Plenty of beverages are available across the world in every country with variety in colors and taste. Based on geographical locations, availability varies depending upon the production of fruits and herbs. This presentation is based on the preferences and production of fruits and other things in Eastern India, but it is universally applicable. I like these preparations very much as these are very tasty, extremely beneficial for health, and not only due to disease prevention and protection, but also providing energy. 25 such beverages we will now discuss. So first is lemon honey water, a quite common drink, but hardly everyone takes it regularly. Knowing fully the benefits it can accrue. A glass of such water a day, early morning, keeps the doctor away. It flushes out toxins from the body, helps to prevent dehydration, lose weight, and assist in digestion. Orange juice, very commonly used. Good for immune system, skin, heart, kidney health, bone health, respiratory system. It's really great boon for us to have orange juice regularly. Musumbi, similarly like orange, it is storehouse of vitamin C. Detoxify body, improve immunity system, good for bone, eyes, skin, muscles, hair. Similarly, pomegranate juice rich in antioxidant, contains fiber, protein, vitamin C, K, folate, potassium, good for skin, hair, face, heart. So purple grape juice, good for heart, eye, knee, brain, loaded with antioxidants, easily available and very tasty. Wood apple water mix, I like it very much. We take it normally on summer days. Bel ka sarbat, good for digestion, stomach, constipation, provides enough energy, purifies blood, good for liver, cardiovascular health, counteracts diabetes. Pineapple juice, rich in antioxidants, helps in digestion, reduce inflammation, boost immunity, good for heart, protect from cancer, good for eye, combat arthritis, enhance fertility. Sugarcane juice, it is also very commonly used in summer days, rich in nutrients like minerals, iron, magnesium, calcium, fights cancer, good for liver, helps digestion, good for bones and teeth, gives some relief on outcomes of STDs. STDs means sexually transmitted diseases, and UTIs, urinary tract infection, good for skin. Cranberry juice similarly high in antioxidants, potassium, vitamin, good for heart, protect from UTIs, prevent infection, helps digestion, detoxes our body, good for teeth, kidney, brings down severity of diabetes. Beetroot juice, very colorful, manage blood pressure, good for skin, helps detoxing, good for skin, eyes, digestion. It has a lot of properties. Lower blood glucose, gives energy, reduces dementia. So have beetroot regularly, beetroot juice. Bottle gourd juice similarly is also very commonly used and preferred in rural areas mostly. Weight loss, it helps in weight loss, good for UTIs, good for heart, skin, kidney, relieve stress, gives energy, keeps body hydrated, rich in nutrients, vitamin B, C, iron, zinc, magnesium, helps to sleep better. Amla juice, it's called Indian gooseberry. It protects one like mother, rich with lot of nutrients like vitamin B, C, fiber, calcium, phosphorus, iron, good for oral health, digestion, bones, liver, eye, protects from cancer, burn excess fat, gives relief from cough and cold, possesses anti-aging properties. It's really gives lot of facilities. That is why it is called, it's like mother. Raw turmeric paste, It is an Ayurvedic medicine type thing. It is called Ayurvedic medicine. And its paste water solution gives a lot of benefits to us. Good for skin, hair, eye, used in cooking, good for the immune system, fights cancer, removes toxins from body. Similarly, basil leaves. Basil leaf paste water solution controls infection, helps to control cholesterol, antifungal, lower blood sugar, control mouth ulcer, control sore throat, cold and cough. So it's very good and very commonly used. Fresh basil leaves sarbat or fresh basil leaves beverage is really fantastic, very helpful for health. Raw mango toasted sauce water, that is raw mango. This mango mix, mango water mix. It is very good for protection from hot blue wind, sunstroke, good for digestion, heart, liver, to boost immunity, quenches thirst. So it has a lot of properties, especially for summer season. Similarly, tomato is easily available, amply available, but many of us do not know what are the various benefits it has. It gives a lot of benefits. Tomato juice loaded with vitamin A, B6, C, E, K, various types of vitamins, manganese, iron, zinc, calcium. It has a lot of dietary fiber, antioxidants, good for heart, good for eye, hair, skin, improves immunity. It protects against cancer also. Similarly, milk shake and with almond or peanut paste. It may be with various types of dry fruits or fruits like strawberry, banana, dates, watermelon, and good for stomach, energy drink, good for skin, rich with vitamins and minerals and mixed with fruits and pastes. So it gives not only taste but it is very healthy. Similarly, lassi, cold water mix, rich with macronutrients, helps digestion, good in taste, provides cooling effect on digestive system, controls dehydration, provides calcium, rich in vitamins, decrease blood pressure, detoxify body. It is a very good source of beverage, I think, for summer season. It is best and mostly taken. Chhach or ghol, a special milk shake with salt. It helps digestion, provides calcium, gives cooling effect, energy drink, and much desired after lunch. Mostly it is taken after lunch. Similarly, green tea or raw tea with ginger and cinnamon is also very good for health, helps in digestion, detoxify body also. Tamarind water helps digestion, boosts immune system, controls diabetes, reduces blood pressure, controls blood sugar, improves nervous system, used in cooking various recipes, is very good for teeth also. Papaya juice, rich in antioxidants, prevents cancer, good for heart, bones, nervous system, digestion. Papaya is also beneficial for eyes, boost immunity, rich with vitamin A, C, B9 and fiber. Guava. Guava juice is also very helpful and it tastes very good also, helps to fight blood pressure, good source of vitamin C, good for heart, nutritious, contains protein fiber, helps in digestion, helps weight loss, helps in reproductive health, boosts immunity, helps to prevent cancer also. Many products. Many of these foods have various types of properties which normally helps us to keep us safe from diseases. Apple juice, nutritious, contains fiber, vitamin A, C, K, potassium, lowers the risks of dementia in elder people, good for brain, good for weight loss, heart healthy, lowers the risks of diabetes, helps to prevent cancer, asthma, good for bone, good for eye, skin and liver. That is why it is called. And an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So apple juice is very beneficial. Similarly, blackberry, although it is in the last, but it is not the least. It has a lot of properties. You see, it is very high in fiber, enriched with vitamin C, K, antioxidants, loaded with manganese, good for brain. Vitamin C helps us to heal wounds. good for bone and skin, prevents scurvy. Manganese is good for immune system, prevents osteoporosis, good for blood sugar control. But too much manganese consumption is also not good for health. So that's to be kept in mind. Beverages not only gives good taste but also enough nutrients to keep body fit and energetic. Have something daily and enjoy. Have good life. Thank you.